The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is a game changer in industries such as aerospace, pharmaceuticals, food production, nuclear energy, electronics, and natural gas systems. Today, let's explore how it excels in the pharmaceutical and clean pipeline industries. Hygiene and precision are non-negotiable in the pharmaceutical industry and clean pipeline systems. The TATE welding machine ensures flawless, contamination-free welds, making it ideal for sterile environments. Its automated orbital welding system produces consistent results, reducing the risk of human error while enhancing productivity. For pharmaceuticals where cleanliness is paramount, the TATE machine delivers welds that comply with strict industry standards for sterile pipelines. From stainless steel pipes used for liquid medicines to clean gas pipelines in production facilities, this machine ensures your operations meet regulatory requirements. In clean pipeline systems, especially in semiconductor manufacturing and biotech, the TATE machine guarantees that every weld is precise and contamination-free. Its capability to weld high-purity pipelines ensures reliability and efficiency, crucial for delivering uncontaminated products. We are the original source manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing OEM/ODM services for tailored solutions. Subscribe to our channel or reach out at info@oktate.com